Take the integral colon of 6x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 8 with respect to x. Integrate the sum term by term and factor out constants 6 times the integral of x cubed dx plus 4 times the integral of x squared dx minus 3 times the integral of x dx plus 8 times the integral of 1 dx. The integral of x cubed is equal to x to the power of 4 over 4. This can be simplified to 3 times x to the power of 4 over 2, plus 4 times the integral of x squared dx, minus 3 times the integral of x dx, plus 8 times the integral of 1 dx. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3, equals 4 over 3 times x cubed plus 3 over 2 times x to the power of 4 minus 3 times the integral of x dx plus 8 times the integral of 1 dx. The integral of x is x squared over 2. This equals minus 3 times x squared over 2 plus 4 times x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 3 times x to the power of 4 over 2 plus 8 times the integral from 1 to x of 1 dx. The integral of 1 is x. The integral of a function is the antiderivative or the inverse operation to differentiation. In this case, the integral of 1 is x. This is because the derivative of x is 1. The answer is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4 over 2 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 over 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 over 2 plus 8 times x plus a constant.